Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Sarah's Kitchen. On today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make samosa, of which is samosa za dengu. In English is green gram samosa. So kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So for this recipe you'll need green grams, of which I've already boiled them. So I've used green gram. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste. After that, we're going to add some spices. I've used some cumin powder from Tamu Delights on Instagram. So we're going to put half teaspoon of cumin powder. You can also add curry powder. Then I'm going to add some grated carrots. I've used one grated carrot. After that, I added some spring onions. Then you're going to add a little bit of bell pepper, like a half of bell pepper. Then you're going to mix all the ingredients until they're well combined. In this January, if you can't afford some beef samosa, kindly do yourself a favor and make this Ndengu Samosa. So after mixing that well, you're going to add some fresh coriander leaves. So you'll put your coriander leaves on that mixture, then you're going to give it a mix until it is well combined. You can also use the ingredients that I've added in these green grams for your potato samosa. So the only thing maybe you can add more is your spices. You can add your preferred spices. After you're done with the samosa filling, you're going to set that aside. Then you're going to take your samosa sheets and fold them as shown. Kindly follow the step of folding. Guys, there's a video I posted previously on how to make the pockets. So if you have any problem on how to make the pockets, kindly go back and watch the video so that you'll be on the same page. I've shown you two types of folding samosa, the triangle one and the rectangle one. So you'll choose which one will work for you best. Then after that, you're going to fill in your samosa pockets as shown in the video. This year tumesema hatununui samosa, ni kujipikia tu. Guys, thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. I don't take you for granted. And the support you have shown me on my previous video is so overwhelming. Be blessed for that. And for that reason, if you have any recipe you want me to do it for you, kindly let me know in the comment section. After filling in your samosa pockets, you're going to let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will prevent them from opening while frying them. On a medium heated oil, you're going to fry our samosa. So make sure the oil is not too hot, because when it is hot, the samosa pocket will have some bubbles on it. You're going to fry the samosa until the crust is crispy and brown. Then you're going to remove them and set them aside. After that, you're going to place them. As you can see, mine turned out so well, so you're going to place them. As you can see, our samosa turned out so well. They were so crispy and delicious. Kindly give this recipe and try and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye. See you in the next one.